Ever seen a model on social media and she seemed quite strange? She was beautiful, but something just didn't seem quite right about her, but you couldn't put your finger on it. She probably was an AI influencer. AI influencers are made by computer magic, like in sci-fi movies. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make your own super convincing Instagram influencer account. You won't believe how realistic it can be. So stick around till the end of the video, and let's get started. First, we need to make an image of a person who doesn't actually exist. To do this, I'll use a tool called Leonardo AI. If you already have a profile on Leonardo and want to start fresh, just go to your profile and delete your current one. Then, create a new profile with the same email or Google account. I recommend using a Google account. Choose a new username, pick your interests, and confirm that you're over 18. After all of this, click Next. In the next step, choose your role and then use Leonardo. Now you can use the photorealistic model. Click View More to find a realistic image that can serve as a sample for your Instagram account. Always go for a picture where the person is looking right at the camera, like these examples. I'll choose this one, but we won't use it exactly as is. We'll create a brand new character. To do this, click the Remix button. Delete the old prompt and type in a new one. You can create your own prompt like this. Generate a captivating Instagram profile picture that radiates empowerment and confidence. Picture a young woman with striking, fierce eyes that convey determination and ambition. Her hair, a mesmerizing blend of chestnut and auburn, should cascade gracefully down her back. Her smile should be both genuine and alluring, reflecting a person who embraces life's challenges with grace. Place her in an environment that exudes elegance and strength, perhaps with soft sunlight filtering through leaves in a serene urban park. Use a resolution of 4K. The background should hint at the city's hustle and bustle, but her poised presence should remain the focal point. Create an image that not only captures her beauty, but also her inner strength, making it the perfect Instagram profile picture to inspire others to pursue their dreams and face adversity with unwavering determination. Once you've entered the prompt, click Generate and check out the result. This girl looks incredibly real, but she doesn't exist in the real world. If you're not happy with the result, you can generate the model again. Once you're satisfied, download the image. We need more pictures for our Instagram account because just having 1 or 2 pictures won't work for an influencer account. If you're not good at coming up with ideas for posts or don't know how to use advanced AI tools to generate content, it can be a real problem. But don't worry, I'm going to share a neat trick with you. First, find an Instagram account with lots of photos and videos. Download these pictures using an Instagram downloader, which you can easily find online. Also, download some of their video content. Now you might wonder what to do with these images. We'll use them to create a consistent style for our Instagram. Here's how. Go to the description box and click on the face swap. If you don't have a Discord account, create one first. After clicking the link, you'll be redirected. Click on Accept Invite, and you'll be able to swap faces between the images you downloaded and ones generated by AI. To do this, go to the message box and type /SaveID. Then, upload one of your source images, the AI-generated ones, and give it an ID name. Remember this name. For example, I'll call mine Harley, and hit enter. Now go back to the message box and type swap ID. Upload a target image, the ones from Instagram, and after uploading, enter your source image ID. In my case, I used Harley. Hit enter again, and you'll get an image with the same face as your source image. This way, you can create lots of consistent characters for your Instagram account. Okay, our image is all set now, and that means we can start posting as many pictures as we want on our Instagram account. But what about Reels? Without Reels, it's pretty tough to gain more followers, and you can forget about earning any passive income through marketing. However, if you start uploading Reels, you can actually make money from your channel, and your chances of attracting more followers will significantly increase. To make this happen, we've downloaded some Reels from Instagram. Now we're going to do a little face swapping on these videos, and I'll be using a free tool called Google Colab Notebook. Here's what you need to do. First, click on the Connect button in Google Colab to establish a connection with their server. Once that's done, head over to the Clone Repo section, install the necessary dependencies, and hit the Run button. During this time, we'll get our target video and source image ready. Click on the folder icon to upload your target video and then do the same for the source image, making sure to rename the target video if it has any special characters or spaces in its name. Now let's get back to the installation process. Once it's done, move on to the second step and hit run. This step should be completed quite quickly. Finally, in the last step, we need to make a few adjustments. Navigate to the notebook directory, right-click on your target video file, select copy path, and then return to the code panel. Paste the target file location there by pressing Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Repeat this process for the source image path. With everything set up, hit the Run button again. If you encounter any errors, delete that part and try running it again. It should work this time. The process will take some time, so let's fast forward through this part. Once it's done, check the directory, and you'll find a new file named Swapped. Click on the 3 dots next to it, select Download to save the file to your device, and voila! Your first real video is ready to go. Let's watch it and see how it looks. No need to ask, he's a smooth operator. Wow, we now have an AI-generated Instagram model who can perform various tasks. If you want to make multiple videos simultaneously, just return to Google Colab and upload your desired videos. You can add music as well. Then, copy the path of the target video and paste it into the code. After that, click the Run button and your videos will be ready. We've created images and reels, so let's upload them to Instagram. For captions, you can generate them using another AI tool called Hix AI. This way, you can create a highly realistic Instagram influencer and earn from your Instagram account. Before wrapping up, I'd love to hear about your experience with AI-generated Instagram influencers. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Please remember to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and this has been the Digital Wealth Hive, and remember to be wealthy. Bye.